Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. T5 here with Becky the Trekkie, and it's time for a water ride. We're going to go on Yuta Falls here in the Lost Island theme park. There's nothing but waterways around us. Actually, there's a big huge pond here. It'll be interesting to see them incorporate some of these natural water elements into some of the park rides. But yeah, it's a nice little park, and we're expecting 2 lift hills, 2 splashdowns, and we'll bring you on board point of view for the ride, show you what the theming looks like, and kind of the landscaping. It's limited landscaping, but they do have a little bit. So let's check it out. Okay, so there's the lake over there, and really the water section is right here close to the lake. I'd almost like to see the paddle boats. You know how they have the swan paddle boats or something like that out there. Might be interesting, and in we'll go. So they do seem to have a warming drying station in here if you want to get in there and pay. Let's see what they got on it. $6, okay, but you can get in there, and this thing lights up and it blasts you at night. We've actually or in daytime, either way, but we've done that one at night. It's kind of interesting. Sometimes people leave them running. We jump in there real quick. All right, 42 inches tall minimum to ride with an adult. 48 by yourself. Keep that in mind. What is this, a little rock flower formation? They've got some animals up here on the wall for the queue, and a few paintings. Let's see here. Nature provided for us. Interesting. I'm hearing some water effects in the background. There's a few of the items in the queue. We got 3 more over there. It said the Yuta lived off the land in harmony with nature. Doesn't that sound nice? Very cool. Okay, so then you've got another room with the queue. There's a few people in line right up here, but it says trapped within the earth. We learned the error of our ways from the emerald serpent. The emerald serpent. Interesting. I wonder if that's Matugani, who is the serpent of the roller coaster. It could be. All right. Well, we'll see you when we get up to the boat.
How many? 2. Do you guys want to ride with them, or do you want your own boat?
Are they going to be in the front or in the very back?
They're currently in the middle.
Oh, if you can put them in the front, we can go in the back.
You guys want to ride in front? Perfect.
Yeah, we'll go in. Keeps the line moving that way.
That's what she wanted.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
go.
You gotta be on the right side. It gets wetter.
Go on up front. You're in the back, Becky. Are you in? Coming in. Oh, we're gonna do a full boat. Okay. I guess it's gonna be a full one, Becky, right in the back. Should be plenty of weight.
Okay, remember I was talking loose under your seatbelt?
I think it just arrows in.
Nope, right to left. Right to left.
And it has a little click.
Give that part to him.
Did you get yours to click? Did it click?
Okay, middle row, tug on the loose end of your seatbelt. And back row. Okay, during the ride, remain seated. Hold on to the black bars and lean back. Enjoy the ride.
Okay, we're in it. The Yuta. There's Becky. Got her sunglasses on. And we're all clear. We're going to have 2 splashes. I got a feeling I'm going to get pretty wet on this. It says lean back and hold bar. They want you to press back and hold the bar. I'm pressing back and holding the bar. Are you pressing back and holding the bar? Yeah. Okay. Okay, we got a full boat and full sun. Get a nice view of the desert plants out here to the right, in the Iowa desert. I think they're weeds. What do you think, Becky?
Yeah.
This one's flowering.
Maybe a mix of both.
Maybe a little bit of both. First lift hill. Coming on up. All right. Oh boy. Let's see. Are we gonna make it? Ooh. can see the suspension coaster stuck over there up in the top. I hope people weren't on it for that one. So, all right, we've got a first drop coming down. If we're gonna make it, hold on, Becky. Hold on. Here we go. Woo! That's all right. We got a little spritz. Let's see if we got a dry spot here. And she said, lean back and hold the bar. So they give you a second warning before the second drop. Lean back and hold the bar. I think I forgot, and I kind of got up out of my seat a little bit. I'm not the best behavior on these things, but I do have my seatbelt on, so I can only go up so high.
Oh. Yeah.
Sometimes they don't have seatbelts, and you can literally just be in there. Well, I don't stand up. I just do a little butt hop, I guess. Just as the gravity grabs you, you just give it a little boost, so it's like you feel like you're sailing the breeze. Let's check out some more of this theming over here, Becky. We got a few more plants. And here's the indoor element, the indoor dark. It's got some speakers. They're just playing the natural sounds of Iowa on those speakers. They're not broken. They're still working. Not really. Okay. They got plenty of room for a petting zoo right here. They already got it fenced. I feel like they could do that. Maybe a deer rescue center if they get hit by the cars, or something. Oh, here we go. Conveyor belts. I think we're gonna make it. I wasn't sure if we were gonna make it on that. Uh-oh. We're gonna get over the top. They got to stack 6 deep, and we both weigh like, what, 2,000 pounds apiece? No. Last time I checked, I'm creeping up on 190, 180s, high 180s for me. You don't have to tell. The lady never tells. Okay. They've got this beautiful water wheel over here, but it doesn't spin. Okay, lean back, mind your head. Oh, don't duck down. They tell you people must hit their heads on this. That's why. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Lean back, everybody. Oh. Wow. It's pretty good of a splash. I don't know that I have a dry spot. There we go. That'll cool you off right there. I'm pretty sure if you did it back to back, it'd get you good and soaked. But my shorts are not as wet as that ride at Adventureland yesterday. What was that one? The Draken Falls? Yeah, I got that t-shirt. That was a good one. Yep, okay. Well, how would you compare this to Congo Falls? Not as big of a splash, but smaller boat.
Right.
I feel like
the height's about the same.
Or higher, maybe?
Slightly higher.
This one might be a little taller. So I think they need a tunnel right here or something. Definitely put some theme music to it.
Like a rock.
They had some speakers that weren't working, but add that in. And what else? I like animatronics that spray me, personally.
Like maybe a dart.
Or like, have them do a combo. Keep the animatronics out of the rain and have them spray you with something. Might be nice. Yep. Oh, are we gonna crash? Maybe. Nope. All right. We made it. Nice ride. Okay, Yuta Falls, 2 splashdowns. What'd you think, Becky?
I liked it. I liked the first drop. I thought that was you know, kind of unexpected a little bit. And then, yeah, of course, the final drop there was a good one.
It was big. It had some speed. They don't want you to put your head for it. I guess people are hitting their heads. They're trying to like duck down too fast to like get out of the splash.
Something.
So they kind of tell you to push your arms back and lean up. I actually pushed my feet against the ground and I kind of sat up in the seat a little bit.
Yeah.
Just so you can get a little better view, but you got that belt on, so you're not going anywhere. But definitely don't stand up or anything. I'm not recommending that. But if you want to just kind of get a higher view in the back, if you're in the back seat, I don't think that hurt anything at all. That first lift hill, I wasn't sure if we were going to make it, but we did. And yeah, once it got going, it just needs some theming. It needs a little bit of theming. I'd like to see maybe some of the characters or cutouts just kind of out here in the rocks. The native plants are coming up through the rocks right there, and it's nice to see plants coming up, but maybe a few themed items in between there, just to finish it out. But the queue line's beautiful. The ride itself is beautiful. It was smooth. The lift hill was really nice and had 2 nice splashes. So I'm going to give it 8.5 out of 10 on water rides. It's probably up there. It's definitely probably top 20 water rides for me. So maybe top 15. I don't know. Hard to say. Had a nice time on it. All right. Well, that's going to wrap up Yuta Falls. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment. If you've been on this ride, let us know what you think. Just curious to see who's been to this park. It's a nice little park. 20-minute wait at max on a very, like this one was pretty crowded because it's really hot today. But everything else has been like a 5 or 10-minute wait. So, and it's closing day. So worth a go. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on the next one. All right. Bye, everybody.